Hey guys, it is Sunday, March 18th, 10:30 in the morning. I am at my parents' house right now. We've been here since Thursday. We had to do some stuff with our new house and get it inspected. We are actually getting ready right now to head back to South Carolina. We have to go to the airport in just a little while and fly back to South Carolina to wrap up every last thing there and close on the sale of our South Carolina home Tuesday morning, and then drive back here Wednesday. So it has been a crazy week, few weeks, as you can imagine. Thank you guys so much for hanging in with me in this transitional time. Soon I'll be back to normal and be able to film new videos and familiar videos that you guys love. This video here I plan to get up tonight, the 18th, when I get home. Probably kind of late it'll go up for me. I want to get if I can, some clips here today before I leave of just kind of my parents' property, because it's so beautiful here. It's like a winter wonderland. And then after this, I'm just going to insert a bunch of different clips from the past like couple weeks of, you know, packing up our South Carolina home, the new home in New York, so you'll get some sneak peeks of that, and just kind of any random footage that I have from the past week or two. So anyways, I hope you guys are all having a great weekend, or had a great weekend by the time you see this, and thanks for all your support as always, and I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye guys. It is Tuesday, March 13th. I decided I should probably pick up the camera and start filming some clips, because I've been terrible all week at even remembering, guys. My house is an absolute wreck. We are flying to New York in 2 days from now. My house is a disaster right now, but so many of you guys said, please film clips, please show the process of moving, and I apologize because I've sucked at it. But my kitchen is bare bones. Everything is empty, guys, except just a couple random things. But pretty much all my cabinets, those are just some paper plates. Everything is empty, you guys get the point. So we are down to like one roll of toilet or paper towels, some disposable silverware, just some like bags and stuff. Couple disposable or a couple travel mugs for coffee maker. I wrapped up the pot, but we have a few K-cups left just to get us through the next couple days. Last load of dishes. My island is a disaster. It's just insane. Office is just down to a couple boxes, and that just why do I keep saying disposable? That foldable table with my computer and chair. Fridge, let's see what we've got. Just a couple, mainly just drinks, guys, and then creamer for coffee, very bare bones condiments, freezer, just some ice packs. Living room, we've got that pile of pictures and stuff that's gonna go in Matt's truck. That box has been serving as our coffee table. This couch we were gonna take, but it's just not gonna make the cut, unfortunately. It's like a 16-foot sectional that we had custom made for this room. If you can see, it fits perfectly in this spot, but sadly we are not going to be able to take it, so we actually ended up working out a bill of sale with the new homeowners because they actually wanted it anyways, so it worked out perfect. Walls are all bare, and they actually are keeping, they wanted this dining room set, so that worked out perfectly as well. And then everything else is just getting down to bare bones. My pantry is just down to just some snacky things, some cat food, dry cat food. That's just a bin of random snacks. So everything is cleared out of here in several boxes. And then I gave some stuff to my girlfriend Kira down the street. So that is where we are right now. This is what's left of the office. My computer is on a chair because everything's packed. So all that's left to do is clear that stuff out. The chairs are staying with that dining room set, vacuum, and just dust the windowsills a little bit. And this room's done. Living room, just a lot of electronic stuff now. That's gonna get repaired. And it looks pretty empty in here. guys, so when you walk in to the mudroom, there's the door for the garage here, and then there's 2 steps leading up into the kitchen, and then this is the laundry room. You get the washer and dryer here, closet, and there's 2 steps here, and then the kitchen. This is what it looks like. Nice view out the window. Cabinets. My husband's got to do the trim on top, and we're going to do a backsplash right when we move in. And kitchen. And then sliding doors, dining room area. Right here under these lights. And that's the little sneak peek for you for the kitchen dining room. Light fixture above the dining room table. And then here is the downstairs bathroom. The inspector's here, that's why the water's running, guys. Nice ceramic tile, got my tub. Big huge storage closet here. And then there's a bedroom here, and 2 more upstairs. And the living room area. Alright, so I'm on the 2nd floor now. This house is 3 floors. There's a basement. This is going to be Grady's room at the top of the stairs here. And then there's this nice long hallway. I want to do something really cool with this space. And then you go down the long hallway. And the master bedroom is right here. You walk in. It's a nice size. I think this room is 15 by 18, I believe. So, no, I think it's 16 by 18. So it's bigger than my current master bedroom. Nice view of the woods on both sides. The issue in this house, guys, is going to be this closet. Because we have a huge walk-in now, and then we're going to this. So my husband's going to configure something down the road, not right away, to give us a much bigger closet space. We can't tap into this wall because there's the master bathroom shower here. But I love this room, the size of it. It's such a nice size. It's going to fit everything we need and then some. So I'm really excited. Master bathroom. Here's the little vanity, tiny little bathroom, mirror, toilet, and then the showers behind the door. It's just a stand-up shower. And then there's like this little nook thing here. Like, I don't know, you could probably use this as like a little linen closet. But I like the floor. Alright, so I'm on my parents' front porch. This is the view right now. They own all the land. It's kind of dark, but you can barely make out all the mountains here, but it's really pretty. And it's about 5 degrees right now, 6 degrees. That's our rental driveway. It's like a winter wonderland, and it will stay this way probably most of April, and by May we'll start thawing out, but very excited to be back here to spend as much time as I can with my family.
Okay, then I gotta take it out.
Alright, so here's my backsplash for my new kitchen. It's at my mom's house. We're leaving in here because obviously we're coming back here in a few days. So here's what it looks like. It's like a marble with a little bit of gray in it, and it looks really pretty against the white cabinets and then the darker colored granite. So very excited.